What's up everybody? Brian, SoCo Customs YouTube channel. You know the drill. Go ahead and click the subscribe button in the bottom right corner. What we've got here is we've got a 2018 Chevy Silverado Z71. That's a little irrelevant now after everything that we've done here, but we went up 7 inches on the rough country kit. This guy decided to go with the Vertex Shocks. So as you'll recall, these are the remote reservoir shocks. We will put that card in the top corner. It's got a coilover setup in the front, simple shocks in the rear, but they are the piggyback style right there. And I'm going to hand you off to Rob, and he's going to tell you about these wheels.
What's going on, everybody? Rob here, SoCo Customs. We put this thing on 22x12 Dropstars 65/7s. They are gloss black with the milled lip here. And we also wrapped it in the Kenda Klever RTs. These are the 35/12/50s. And let's not forget that -44 offset.
All right, so the cool thing about these Vertex shocks from rough country, number one, they're a very high-end shock. We also have this little dial right here where you can adjust your ride quality there. You can soften it up, you can harden it up. So there's 8 different settings on there, whether you're on-road, off-road, on washboard. If you find you just like some setting better, you can definitely dial that in. But go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, give us a subscribe, ask any questions about this kit in the comment section below. I'm gonna go warm up. Thanks guys.